Hi guys, join in. Let's make our yummy chocolate bread. It's out of the oven and I want to show you how I made this yummy bread. Let's go guys. First of all, you're going to put in your flour as normal. Yeah, you put in your butter. This is salted butter, so we're not going to be using salt, but if you are using unsalted butter, then definitely your recipe will now have to be with some pinch of salt. Yeah, but I'm not going to put salt here because my butter has salt already. Here is our cocoa powder. All the measurements will be captured in the description. Yeah, but if you are not clear with any points, you can as well send me a DM. This is our yeast. Yeah, then you're going to mix everything together. You put in your sugar, you mix it. There's no point melting, yeah, because while kneading, believe me, everything is gonna melt. Then you're going to put in your egg. You mix it for a while. Put in your warm milk. Your milk should be warm. Remember our law, if you are using yeast, then you need to use warm water or warm milk. This is browning. It's not necessary, but I just needed that unique flavor that browning comes with, you know, and also the color. Yeah, that's why I used browning. So, but it's not necessary. You're going to knead it for nothing less than 10 minutes. Yeah, nothing less than I need mine for 20 good minutes. Then you put your dry fruit. It's optional if you don't like that. Yeah, so you're going to grease your pan with vegetable oil. You cover it and allow it to rise and rest for 1 hour minimum. Or should I say maximum, because allowing your dough to overrise is also not good. This is after 1 hour and you can see this is looking like amala. But it's our yummy chocolate bread, guys, and it's tasting all yummy more than amala. You grease your pan, roll your dough to this shape, put in your dry fruit again. Yeah, I said it earlier, it's optional. You can put any other thing that you want to put, but I always use dry fruit because my husband loves it. Bake it for 20 to 30 minutes, and guys, it is what you're gonna have. This yummy looking bread, homemade bread, just with few ingredients, and you are sure of what you're putting in your system. And guys, this recipe is dedicated to a particular fan that I cannot remember her name. I'm so sorry, but if you happen to come across this video, I am dedicating this to you because you wanted to learn how to make chocolate bread, and because of the love I have for you all, I am here with the recipe. Thank you so much guys. Do well to share the video, like the video, follow me if you are not following me, and I love you all. Bye guys.